Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a quick Plum Goodness haul. So basically I purchased a couple of, in fact not even couple, it's only vanilla related items from Plum. They were running a great offer and I purchased all of these items from their website and I got a freebie as well. So now without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the freebie first, okay? They sent me this freebie. It's called the Plum Specialist Serum Starter Pack. It is a pack of 3 of their very famous serums. You've got the vitamin C for glow, you've got the Bulgarian Rose Hyaluronic Acid Serum for hydration, and then you've got the niacinamide for clarifying. Now I have tried the vitamin C, it didn't suit me. I have tried their niacinamide, but the 5% one, this one is the 10% one. So let's see how these two will perform. But apart from that, I'm actually excited for the hyaluronic acid one. Vitamin C didn't suit me that well, but yeah, it's a cute gift. I mean, the packaging and all is really nice, and the bottles are ekdam chutku. I'll insert a clip so you get to know. So this was a freebie, that's great. Now coming to the items that I've purchased, all of these are Vanilla Vibes item, and after this video I'm going to be dropping a full-fledged review of Plum's Vanilla Vibes collection, where I'm going to talk about their body lotion, body yogurt, their body wash, their serum, not serum, the spray, everything. So yeah, keep that an eye. So the first thing that I purchased is the Plum Vanilla Vibes body butter. I have tried it out. So basically I didn't want to get it because I don't like the body butter that much. But they were having this offer that you can buy any 3 products for 999. So when these kind of sales happen, it's better if you buy the most worthy product. क्योंकि मैंने ये जो स्क्रब और योगर्ट लिए थे, ये दोनों चीज़ें 500 रुपए की थी, और जो मैं सोच रही थी परफ्यूम ले लूँ, but that was for just 300. So I was like, ठीक है, the rainy season is starting, my skin is gonna get dry, तो मैं सब यूज़ करने के लिए ये ले लेती हूँ, बॉडी लोशन की जगह ये यूज़ कर लूँगी, because this was for 500. So I got the Plum's Vanilla Vibes body butter. It's a thick body butter. So this is the first thing that I purchased. Then I got the Plum Vanilla Vibes body scrub. It's a sugar based scrub, very beautiful. It doesn't directly smell like vanilla, it smells more like sugar, but then once you kind of emulsify it, it smells like vanilla. It's very soft, gentle scrub. So I got this. Then the thing that I was most excited for is the Plum's Vanilla Vibes body yogurt. I have used it, I love it. It's so good, juicy, bouncy, yogurty texture. So yeah, I wanted to try this since a very long time, and I think I got it at a great deal. So this one is the body yogurt. Then I purchased their new launches. So I purchased the Plum Vanilla Vibes deodorant roll-on, which is again very great. Then I got the Plum's body loving Vanilla Vibes perfume deodorant spray. This is so good. Okay, first of all, it's a zero gas wala, so you can clearly see you can hear the liquid. So it's very great and really like it. I have used it. I've also shared a mini review where I have told you guys that this one is actually better than their Eau de Parfums of Vanilla Vibes. So if you're interested in purchasing, I would genuinely recommend you guys to purchase the deodorant spray then their Vanilla Vibes Eau de Parfum. और उनका जो बड़ा वाला है वो तो बिल्कुल भी मत लो, because उसकी बॉटल हमेशा खराब हो जाती है, the big 100 ml one. Instead buy the small ones. Or now this is way more affordable and longer lasting, so ये deodorant spray ही लो. I think they've launched these 2 things in Vanilla Vibes and Hawaiian Rumba only. So think about it and get it, but I liked both of them. And the last product that I purchased was completely random, but I feel I made the best decision. So I have heard so much about the Plum Smoking Vanilla Body Mist. It's like a dupe of Kayali Vanilla and all of that, and I was like, ठीक है, मुझे try करना है. But I got to know from a lot of reviews कि वो काफी smoky है, it's quite musky, and also I was like, ठीक है, रहने देते. Then when I was purchasing from Plum's website, I saw this was in their new launches. This is the Plum's luxury perfume, Eau de Parfum and Smoking Melana. तो वो हमेशा body mist बेचते थे, but this time they sold it in a perfume. This is like a new launch. So I was like, ठीक है, you know what? It's a perfume, it's a luxury one, so let's try it. और ये काफी सस्ता था, 300 rupees. So this one is the Smoking Vanilla. Guys, I think I made the best decision of buying. This is the perfect amalgamation of musk, amber and vanilla. It dries down into sweet powdery vanilla, but the opening is so musky and sweet. It's a perfect balance. I think everyone will like this fragrance because it's a mix of both sexiness and sweetness. It's not too sweet. So yeah, and the longevity of this Eau de Parfum is next level. It easily lasts for good 3 to 4 hours minimum, and then can last up to 8 hours depending on your body type. So I do not regret it. ये जल्दी से out of stock होगा. So guys, please purchase the Smoking Vanilla Eau de Parfum, not the body mist. It's so freaking good, and I do not regret purchasing it. I'm so excited. I would recommend you all to purchase the smaller one. Plum के बड़े perfumes मत खरीदो, बहुत ही बेकार सी packaging है, and then the color also changes. Buy the smaller one which is affordable and worthy. So guys, this was my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll leave the links for all the items in the description box below. Do check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.